fairly new design that many brides around the world have been asking loads of questions about. It is this stunning Art Deco tiara. It is made using only the finest 3A cubic zirconia and these beautiful pearls and these gorgeous sort of Art Deco like crystals that sit in the middle, creating that asymmetrical, beautiful look that just help you shine like a star. I absolutely adore this headpiece. And it is really one for a bride who loves to stand out, who loves to be different, who loves to shine. It sparkles so beautifully, and you certainly will be noticed as you walk down the aisle. Just take a look at that extraordinary sparkle in a close-up. If you'd love yours, take a look at My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy. Link is in the bio and in the description below.